Hi guys, welcome back to Piece of Energy. Today we have a unboxing cosmic crystal box.
This is a monthly subscription box for April.
Yep.
Let's see what's inside.
Okay. Jeez.
Aren't you curious? Let's see. Ooh, it's gold. All right. Look at that golden bag. That signifies something special, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm. Alright. There's 3 things in here.
Okay, we got 3 cards here to explain what they are.
Alright, so this one looks like Tiger's Eye.
Okay. Let me read the card to you that talks about Tiger's Eye. While you can take a close look at it. Tiger's Eye is a stone of protection. It helps clear the mind, assisting with mental focus. It balances feminine and masculine energy. It helps dispel fear and anxiety. And it helps with willpower and discipline. So you could use this stone with the solar plexus chakra. And it works with the zodiac sign for Leo and Capricorn. And it also adds on here that it's significant for the number 4. That's a nice little message.
Yep.
All right, next we have Pyrite. Pyrite, known as fool's gold, is one of the most popular crystals for money because it's known to remedy financial hardship and attract wealth. It also aids in making financial decisions, bringing wealth in both subtle and larger ways. Well, that's a nice one to have.
Next is Citrine. Citrine attracts wealth, prosperity, and success. It releases negative traits, depression, fears, and phobias. Citrine is emotionally balancing. Worn, carried, or used in crystal healing, the radiant sunshine yellow color will increase the amount of light surrounding your body and protect your aura.
All right. All right, Katie, what do you think?
And also, there's
Sorry.
another surprise.
I didn't know there was another surprise. Oh, wow.
I saw the flash from there.
Oh. Now that made me smile. What a beautiful tiger's eye.
I think that's it. That's it now.
That really,
That's a great palm stone.
Oh,
It's
yes.
so flashy.
it is a deep flash, isn't it? I don't know if you can pick that up with the camera, Rick. It's really beautiful. That made my day. All right, that's the subscription box for the month. To give you an idea what comes in these monthly boxes, for us it's a nice way to build our collections, and usually we get something a little bit unique, right?
Yep.
What do you think of it this month?
I like it. I think it's a good box.
We going for the next one?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, thanks for watching our video today. Come back and join us. We have some other things to show you this month besides the subscription boxes. So stop back and visit us.
All right. See you next time.